Meaning of fogy.
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 Fogy. The word fogy is actually spelled phobie, and it refers to an old-fashioned or overly traditional person, particularly one who is resistant to change. This term can be used in a somewhat derogatory way to describe someone who is stuck in their ways and unwilling to adapt to new ideas or trends. It's important to keep in mind that what is considered old-fashioned or outdated can vary widely depending on cultural and generational differences, so labeling someone a phobie should be done with care and sensitivity.